Hey guys, welcome back. I am super excited because the other day I ordered some Motegi racing wheels for the F56. I'm super excited. They showed up so quick and I'm not gonna lie, I took a little sneak peek at them and they look so good. I'm super excited because I don't know if I mentioned to you guys previously, but I cracked 4 spokes on my Team Dynamics wheels, which really I'm really sad about. But I'm very specific. I want a 17x7 on that car so I can fit the most amount of meat without having to chop the car up and make more room or put a spacer on. I want it to sit with the most meat that I possibly can as it sits stock. So Motegi was the only brand that I found that had lightweight wheels, a style that I liked, and in the size that I liked. These should fit perfectly, so I'm super excited and I can't wait to show you guys. So I pulled the F56 up. Now I'm going to jack it up, pull a wheel off, test fit the new wheels. They are so pretty. I love the indents. I couldn't really tell in the photo online. I just did a quick glance on my phone, but wow, it's really pretty. I really love the detail, all of this. Also, the little logo is orange, which is super cute. It doesn't necessarily fit my theme, but it's tiny, so it's fine. I love the satin too. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, let's get them on. By the looks of it, there is plenty of clearance on this brake kit. Thank the Lord. My other wheels are really close. My street wheels are like on the verge of rubbing all the time, so that's good news. Lots of clearance over here. Just to be clear, lots of clearance for me is like more than being maybe a millimeter away from rubbing, so especially with this car. So now I just gotta make sure that the back side isn't rubbing, so let's check that out. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's gonna rub here, which is good. I'm glad. That's important. Oh my gosh, let's just back up and get this picture right here. Look at that. That looks great. Oh, I love it. I love it. I didn't think I'd like it, but I really like it. Okay, so now I have them all tightened down for the most part with this stud conversion kit. It was a little tight fit with these nuts. Ooh, look at that one's loose. So that's definitely a little sucky. It's gonna rub here, which sucks, but the stud kit's important to me, so that's something to keep in mind. But they look really good. I'm so happy. Alrighty, so test fitted the wheels. They look great. They're super pretty. Now I put them back in the box, and the next step will be to take the old wheels to the tire shop, get them swapped onto the new wheels, and then we'll be ready to rock and roll. ended up getting those tires mounted on the Motegi racing wheels, which is super exciting. They look really good. I'm really excited to get them on the F56. Unfortunately, that won't be happening anytime soon because it is summer here in California, and 100 to 110 degrees outside temperature is not ideal for me personally to be tracking this car in. I don't prefer it, and I don't want to burn through tires that quick. This car is already a big tire eater, so yeah, I'm gonna hold off for a little bit. The F56 is going to stay on street wheels, and it's not going to be hitting the track anytime soon, unfortunately, as much as I would like to. But as soon as I get the F56 on these wheels, you guys will be seeing it. If you see any track videos of the F56, check it out because these wheels will be on in the future. Super excited. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Peace out.